world of motorcycling is a realm filled with adventure, freedom, and an unparalleled connection to the open road. For beginners stepping into this thrilling world, the choice of their first motorcycle is pivotal. The Honda Rebel 250, celebrated for its affordability, approachable power, and beginner-friendly attributes, emerges as an outstanding choice for those seeking a fulfilling two-wheeled experience without breaking the bank. With its accessible performance, classic cruiser design, and rider-centric features, the Rebel 250 provides an ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration without straining their finances. Affordable performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Honda Rebel 250 lies a modest yet capable 234cc single-cylinder engine that delivers a balanced performance. This engine ensures that beginners can experience the thrill of riding without imposing a significant financial burden. Classic cruiser design and timeless aesthetics. The Rebel 250 boasts a classic cruiser design that pays homage to the golden age of motorcycling. Its timeless lines, low-slung frame, and minimalist styling elements embody a blend of nostalgia and simplicity that resonates with riders seeking a traditional and genuine riding experience. Novice riders not only embrace the joy of riding but also connect with the Rebel 250's classic charm. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. The Rebel 250 is thoughtfully designed for rider comfort. It offers an upright and relaxed riding position that ensures comfort during both short jaunts and extended journeys. The well-padded seat, pullback handlebars, and forward-set foot pegs contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and effortless maneuverability. The Honda Rebel 250 is celebrated for its responsive handling and effortless maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, winding roads, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the Rebel 250 often comes equipped with features like a front disc brake for reliable stopping power. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they develop their riding skills. Urban commutes and beyond. The Rebel 250's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban rides and scenic journeys, all while enjoying the motorcycle's classic and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novice riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the Rebel 250's cruiser attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda Rebel 250 encourages skill development as novice riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly long-term riding. The Rebel 250 isn't just an affordable starting point, it's a faithful companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its budget-friendly price, minimal maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Rebel 250 for years to come. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 250 exemplifies Honda's commitment to providing an affordable and genuine introduction to the world of motorcycling for novice riders. With its accessible performance, classic cruiser design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Rebel 250 offers an immersive gateway to the joy of riding without straining one's budget. By choosing a Honda Rebel 250 as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for nostalgia, affordability, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.